He was going to rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion HAS ever been. I'll show you how much you can truly burn and they left you for dead. Know what that feels like to be left for dead after you gave everything you. Tomorrow night I'm going to smash your boy. Guys, I'm going to smash your boy. There's the test still undisputed. They will not see you coming. You rise. You work every single day tirelessly. Work. Damn it, work. Work. Stand up and show them why you're better. They know me. Stop. Get it 18 me son. Get it 19 me son. Yeah, one more car. It's time you realize that weakness it is my strength. That pain it is my development. My struggle it is my triumph. Everything you think that is here to take me down is here to build me up. I ask you what is happening to us, my friend. What is happened to us and what are we becoming? What are we become? What are we becoming, my friend? What you know we've been fighting 400 and still fighting to this day. To this day at practice when I'm training during games. I switch my mind to something else. Switch my mode into something else. Right. For me it's the equivalent of Maximus Decius Meridius and Gladiator picking up the dirt, smelling the dirt. It's go time. I never underdid things, always overdid things. When the war drum sounds, the people that have been to war are the ones that actually say let's think about this first. Because like I said before and like everyone says all the time and they say it like it's no big deal, but war is hell. Before you do that you should think about why you're doing it and understand if the people have the will to fight and the will to fight I've said many times before. The will to fight is the will to kill and it's the will to die. And those are some pretty big wills that you need to have. This is your life, my friend, and I'm sure when it's all said and done you don't want to look back and see that you wasted it. This is your life, my friend, so you stand up. This is your life, my friend, so you rise up. This is your life, my friend, so you keep going. This is your life, my friend, so you never give up. This is your last, my friend, you need to keep going. This is your last, my friend, this is why you take to music. Go, you may fail, you refuse to tolerate it, though you may fall, you refuse to stay down, though you may lose the battle, you refuse to lose the war. Reach the point of no return, my friend, where you're always willing to give music more. My style is impetuous, my defense is impregnable, and I'm just ferocious. I want your heart, I want to eat it. Children, we all in the same room and saying nothing to each other. Everybody's gang fast like we go in the war with each other. Now the way I look back then you know that was all good and great, but I wasn't in it to look a certain way. I was in it to be great. Out of the 100 men that go war, this shouldn't even be there. 80 of them are just targets. 9 do more boss of fighting. One is a warrior and bodybuilding initially made me have to look at who I am an individual and do I want to do the training. Okay fine, I can train, but do I really want to diet? Do I really want to give up time with friends? Do I want to be misunderstood? All humans are not created equal. Some people just have a beautiful hand of cards that God for us and they puts them right in your face. Boom, I know if I bet on myself, I know I can dictate everything. I run everything. I'm the music boss. Take 10 seconds to get it again. Beast. Get it bab come on ye there you go. There you go energy let it out 7, 8, 9, 10. A machine here there you go nobody works. Like David in this house 13 comme on 14. Comme on 15 shut that muscle down 16 comme. On get it 17. Comme we want to see it good 22 who's. Going to carry the boats in the. WS that's not all you have there's more. Left in you know you're tired know. You're away know you've been brought to. Tears all the blood all the sweet all. The sacrifice all of the suffering No you want to quit right now but this is not the time to let go this is not the time to do this is not the time to quit keep going a it to your advantage you got to put yourself in that cage when you're in that cage you are that character then when you leave there it's something completely different but when I'm in that cage bro don't touch me don't talk to me leave me alone push that last rep push with everything you got tell excuse to step assis de let weakness know that it is not welcome in your house go get it now and give it everything you got be productive be powerful and from the bottom of my heart conduct your business it ain't about being beast mode it's about life and death mode life is always giving you a test trying to give you a way out trying to give you excuse not to show up you got to have the mentality to show up every day of your life no matter what life throws at you it's your responsibility to show to the Coliseum of life prepared for fin battle you don't care what you're going through what life throwing at you it's your responsibility to find your new 100% a part of being a beast is the hunt it's the hunt that they're excited about they like to see the gazelle run then boom they take off cause real lion like to hunt they love the process just as much as they love the prize and some of you'll just want to score you don't like the process you're not in love with the process everybody want to be a beast until till it's time to do what beast do you are a beast let others talk about how good you are how strong you are how fast you are how smart you are how successful you are that's when you know you a shark when others are talking about you it's about putting it on the line it's about pushing yourself and giving it 110% of everything you got know. Sometimes people say they're a lion but you can't be a lion if you don't understand the rules of the jungle keep your commitment never to go back to the life that you once lived. Keep your commitment to creating wealth for yourself to taking care of your children to be more responsible keep your commitment to live a life of contribution to keep your commitment to be a conqueror and to act like it and to have authority in dominion over everything in your life one of those reasons I got on one of my tappy life knocked you down trying and land on your back because if you can look up you can get up your reasons will help you to get back up again you're going too fast no and rejection every day but if you're hungry enough the world will make a place for you you're afraid the thing else we're all being tested and that road to success is a bumpy ass road do you think you have the mindset now be SM again tip it in the sha again if it's life giving if it's serving your purpose if it's going to transform you into something you never thought you could be then do it again tip it in the sha drop it in the command again this thing served me this thing helped me it hurt but it's helping me and it's building a bridge to the future and the destiny that I've been called to fulfill. Music Period every time you go back your building muscle your building mentality your building endurance. You're establishing face it takes a face. To get out of this to crawl yourself out of a messy history and leave a legacy it is the man that refused to quit it is the man that refused to put down his gloves that separate winners from one. Of these it is diligence and dedication and determination that separate the all-time grace from the one it wonders. Do you want to do this thing one time or do you want to be notorious for winning over and over and over again? It just want to know is anybody listening that wants to do it again. He don't want to win one time, he don't want to be noticed one time, he don't want to make history one time, he want to do it over and over and over again, do it again. No matter how hard it was, no matter how much you cried and you sweat and you bled, do it again, 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 again. Your goals are posted on your wall. You commit privately and publicly to the call that's on your life. You think about it day and night, whatever the goal is. It's time to shatter the ceiling above your head, to break record, to shatter the statu quo, to punch through targets. It's your time, it's your turn. You've doubted yourself long enough. People have left you, overlooked you, undervalued you, underpaid you. It's your time to connect. It's your time to get paid. It's your time to sign the deal. It's your time. If you quit, go back, dust yourself off and try one more time. Show me your hobby and I will show you your future. It is what we do habitually, it is what we do every single day that determines the measure of significance that we get to live this life. Everybody wants to drive something, live somewhere, be connected. There are Protalk.